Melodies your strength in Jesus' name. Kò ní sun yín, kò ní rẹ̀ yín. Wọ́n máa ń pe àwọn kan ní èṣù lẹ́yìn ìbejì. Tálẹ́ ni o. Bọ̀ nísìnyí àti ń ṣèyẹ̀ tí ọmọ Jésù lẹ́yìn ìbejì. Òun ní ìdó. ẹ̀kẹta ọmọ ẹni tí ó mọ̀dọ̀ onígbé lẹ́rù méjì bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni ọkọ wọn ní í ṣe orúkọ mi ní Ìdòwú Kọ́ládé Victor. So I'm so happy to have you around. You are. All right, let's start. We just have 4 or 5 questions here. So let's meet the glorious twins officially.
My name is Rehoboth, one of the glorious twins. We are gospel singer and we are twin. And also we're going to SS3 and we love our fans, we love our families, we love everybody around us.
Thank you, my sisters. So you're from which state? Oh, Ekiti. That's good. You're all right. So what inspired you into singing?
First of all, my parents. My mommy sings. I wish I could have this voice. She was even the one that noticed, yes. She was when I discovered her talent. I was like, I want to the God, get nothing. So, you guys can bring something out. This is a beautiful talent to showcase to the world. And since then, I started singing. Then at the age of 10, 11, I singing professionally.
Wow, that's great. That means you are closer to the 20s now. Because when you say 11, you'll be singing professionally. So you're more than that. God bless you. So how about your academic?
Academic is doing great.
It's going well. So singing is not disturbing academically, I think.
If I have an exam, my mom tells us
Okay. What a wonderful woman. I love her. God bless her for us. Yes. Your advice for little children that looks up to becoming a celebrity for God like you. Your advice.
My advice for them is that they should keep praying and they should keep praying. They should not relent. Yes. They should not relent. Yes. And by the grace of God, they should always, because there is no miracle without fasting and praying. So anyone that also wants to be like us and also wants to have even more than us, what we will advise them to do is that they should pray to God and they should create a lot of content. Go on, see me, go to my test, what you know, he said to us, and the Lord will provide for us.
Thank you. And the last question here, or let me say, the last thing I want us to look at is your encouragement for the children of this church. Your word of encouragement for the children of this church.
Okay. My own word of encouragement is that because everything in this life is step by step. So you don't just have glory in a day. That cannot just come. Fame cannot just come in a day. So my word of encouragement is that they should keep growing in the Lord. So any people that have talent, maybe like singing or dancing and all that, yes, or comedy, they should always trust God, and they shouldn't think that fame will just come in a day. It should just come gradually.
Thank you very much. And on behalf of the children of Living Pilgrims Rehoboth Assembly, aka Chapel of Peace, we say God bless you. We hope to see you some other time when we call on you. Yeah.